What's the password?
Can I come in?
Nah, that ain't it.
So here we are, the Big Texan. If you eat the 72-ounce steak, it's free. Look at this place. And we are sitting under a vintage Route 66 dinosaur. I'll try and get a further away picture, but there is all sorts of great things.
Hey cats and kittens, it's a toy car case event at Johnny Roman's Supper Club. It is 3:16 on Old Johnny Clock. Let's see what pulled into our parking lot.
And look at this motel that's right next door. Is this crazy fun? I'm gonna walk down so you can see what's going on. All sorts of people here, which is great. But it looks like an old western town. We are in Texas. We finally made it, which is great. And there's a horse hotel, there's this hotel, and then you got the big ranch, Texan Steak Ranch. We're gonna go in there and check it out. You got all sorts of little things down here like this, which is great. Oh, I'm telling you, we've been driving forever and a day. So, I guess that's where you walk your dogs. They want you to pick up after it. Hang on. Oh, Big Mama and Trixie are heading in. So here, there's a lot of glare, but it's a Route 66 legend, the Big T-Rex. So here is all the info on that. I took a still, hopefully that turned out. Might take another. And again, here he is. Such a ride. I'm gonna walk around from the side. See if we can get them all in there. Is that hilarious? Now we're off of I-44 or I-40 in Texas. Look at that thing. Is that hilarious? And we're right by the airport. It comes in a plane. Kind of wild. And there's the Big Texan. This is exit 74. Look at this place. It is a riot. So much fun. There's a gift shop in here and all sorts of fun stuff. But again, look at all this. Home of the free 72-ounce steak. Is that hilarious? Ah, only in America. And then you've got this big bull out here. And there were like 50 big, huge billboards coming in showing this place. So let's go inside and see what they got. Oh, look at this. In 1 hour, if you eat that, home of the 72 free ounce, home of the free 72-ounce steak, and then you put your face through there and it'll show you. Or you could do the Big Texan or bus sign and get the whole family in there. Oh, look at this. I'm gonna see if I could get a menu. Wouldn't that be? So this is a Route 66 roadside attraction in Amarillo, Texas. Let me get up there. Now the weather's getting warmer. It stopped raining. It was raining non-stop. Look at this. Beautiful benches out here. Wagon wheels like Big Charlie, like you did. Look at that. That is gorgeous. And here it is. Oh, look at that. Is that sweet? This is the Big Texan Steak Ranch, Amarillo, Texas, the home of the free 72-ounce steak. This is famous steak has been feeding hungry travelers since 1960. Young man, we fed your father. Recognized by Hampton Hotels as a Save a Landmark program, as this site worthy of seeing. Woo! Oh, and they fed your mama too. Look at these nice chairs. Oh, I'm heading in. Oh, look at this inside. They got a 9-foot bear stuffed right there. Sitting there. There's some of the biggest longhorns you've seen. They got a candy shop in here, which is great. A souvenir shop. Excuse me. Oh, I'm telling you, there's so many cool things here. Now again, gift shop. Look at these bags. Oh, that is a suitcase to have. Here's a buffalo head up on the wall. Kind of crazy. Look at all these. There's a little bit of something for everyone here. Turquoise. Shirts. Oh, here you go, Spur Wars. Oh, that is funny. Oh, you gotta have a sense of humor here. Whoa, look at that hat. That is a... That'd keep the sun off you. It's hilarious. That's almost tempted getting. Oh, I gotta show Big Mama that one. Oh, look at all more hats. Look at all this stuff. It almost looks like paper plates with cows on them. But they're plastic. They're pretty cool. All the luggage and purses. Another deer head up there. This is crazy. Oh, I'm telling you, the South is so much fun. Look at this. All the cowhide stuff. Look at it. Bluebird of Happiness. Cardinal salt and pepper shakers. Pigs. All sorts of things. Oh, and here's your wine bottle holders. Oh, right here. Right here, Trixie. Hang on.
This is a special edition. Johnny Roman is on the spot. Oh, we got toy cars in the toy car case at the Johnny Roman Supper Club. Everyone is heading to the club. Don't be sitting around bored to death. Check it out on YouTube. We got a little bit of something for everyone. Oh, stick around. We got so much more to show you. Rock on, my friends. Rock on.
Oh, look. Little canoe. Again, all sorts of Route 66 memorabilia, coasters, plaques, shot glasses, coffee mugs. Texas. Now you know Klein is in Texas now. So maybe they'll ship me down here. Wouldn't that be awesome? Oh, look at this for the pink ladies. A Western gun. Now, up north, you could never have play gun sidearms like this. People's heads would explode. Oh, here's a whole Western getup with handcuffs, darts. You've got a pistol and a shotgun. Oh, come on, Dad. Oh, look at these travel trailers. Oh, look at this one, Saul. Totally fun. It's a welly, too. Look at that. Have you seen that before? $17. Looks like a plastic trailer on there, but still kind of cool. Oh, look at all the ones they got. They only have these though. Oh, if they had that bus saw, I might have to buy it for you. But I don't see the bus. Oh, so cool. Oh, that is fun. All sorts of camping. Here's some little cars. Here's pocket racers. Here's Tonka, those little $4 for a little toy car, and it's one of these, which is very interesting. Oh, look at this cool stagecoach. Oh, come on, only in the South here would you find these. Uh-oh. It's a talking dog. Maybe the supper club needs a mascot. Oh, that is hilarious. Oh, here's a sneaky snake mascot. I'm telling you. Some more cars, cheapos. Some pullbacks. There's your microbus. Oh, not too bad. You can get the same thing at Walgreens for like $3. Again, tourist trap. Daddy, I need this now. Oh, look at these Western gear. Guns. So much fun. Not only a cowboy playset, but you got a badge too. Oh, here's your little sawed-off 2-barrel shotgun. Every kid needs. Oh, there's a metal gun with handcuffs. Here's masks. In case you need a mask. Look at that, a duck.
Came to the right place.
So here it is. Look at this. That is a real rattlesnake. Big Bertha. Look at that. Is that gorgeous or what? Just sitting there waiting for its mouse to be fed into it. That is crazy. And here it is. Rattlesnake. Watch children at all times. Now, you've got, just from what I know from my brother Mo, he's got snakes. So these clips, see those black clips? That holds the cage down. But man, I'm telling you, you need a better enclosure than that thing. Oh, is this nuts or what? Hosting the toy car case event for the adult diecast collector, that guy needs a sedative. So there's all going to mess. So here you go. Here's Trixie. She's a mallard duck. Isn't that funny? Now you've seen a picture of Trixie. Oh, here's a squirrel or a chipmunk or a hamster or something with whiskers even. Oh, that is funny. Crazy stuff. Look at all this stuff here. Isn't that great? Oh, so much fun. There's some metalwork. Oh, here's a stuffed jackalope. It's fake, but very nicely done. Oh, here's Trixie again. Wait, hang on. There's Trixie. She's a unicorn. Oh yeah, that is heavy metal. Let me tell you, that thing is metal through and through. Nice cap gun and handcuffs. Oh, everyone's having fun back here. Oh, there's robots over there too. Look at this. these. Here's you can play a shooting game, and you sit in a saddle and you shoot a different gun at different things that come out. You put in money, and then you shoot at things. All the little targets up there. But look at this. A lot of stools, or you can stand. Oh, this is crazy fun. You got crispy bacon, let me out, barium deep. Got a rattlesnake over there, and these are your weapons. Then you got a bar here, and then the restaurant's in the back. Got another bar back here. Oh, this place is rocking. Now this is kind of off season, so here you got a big bison head and a big moose head. But the moose head, I mean, I don't think there's moose in this area, but still very cool. There's Wild Bill Coyote. Then you got a big bear. Open the door for $1. Look at the stagecoach. That is cool. Oh, I'm telling you, there's so much cool things to look at in here. Look at this chair, made out of horn. Love seat. Totally cool.
Oh, Santa Claus is coming to town. Oh, I love Santa Claus. You love Santa Claus? I love Santa Claus. You love Santa Claus? I love Santa Claus. Let's see what he brought us. That guy needs a sedative.
So here it is, the world's famous free 72-ounce steak. This is all you have to eat in 1 hour. Here's my hand in comparison. Is that crazy? You have to eat a roll, baked potato, 3 shrimp, cocktail, and a salad in 1 hour, and you get it free. Look at that.
What are you waiting for? Come on over. For a small fee, Lothar will give you a wealth of free stuff.
You gotta be kidding me. Someone ate all that in 4 minutes? Oh, pressing the wrong buttons there. Oh, that is crazy. So the showdown started in 2015. Oh.
4 minutes and 18 seconds. Ate that steak.
That is nuts. Oh, and then you got Peppy, the fortune teller. Look at that. Is that nuts? Crazy. Can you eat all that? I bet you could. Here's some family portraits. Look at these. Is that funny? They change with the angle. Is that funny? Oh, and every single one of these is like that. So much fun in here, I'm telling you. Oh, I hope you guys are enjoying it as much as I. Oh, here's the electric chair. Gotta have an electric chair, right? Old Sparky. Don't mess with Texas. Put a buck in. Oh, this is like Disney World.
There's Cheese Whiz for everyone at Christmas time. It's not just for crackers. It's to spray straight into your mouth. Oh, yeah. Was ist los, mein Kinder?
Got a guy shooting.
That was close. I thought you were asking me to get the turkey there for a second.
This guy asked if he could use his own gun instead of the fake one there. They said no. Oh, so much fun. Zoltar from the movie Big. Oh, is this a riot? Again, eat that steak? That is nuts. Oh, here's the winners. Look at that. I don't know, I'm getting it clear. Can you read it? Oh, is that crazy? The guy said, don't recommend it. It was good. I've seen bigger. And here's the dates that they did it this year. Oh, you think Soda Pop could do that? Oh, look. Here's all the dates. And in the times that they did it. That is nuts. This is so much fun. There's so many cool things here. I did get a peek at the menu. I'm going to see if they have a takeout. Hang on. What did he say? He said he loves Johnny Roman's Supper Club. So there you go. Here's the limo pickup for you. Oh. Now, if you want to check out the menu here, just go online for the Big Texan. And you will find them. Is that hilarious? So, I hope you enjoyed it here at the Big Texan in Texas. We're heading to Arizona, though. Oh, one more thing. Let me tell you, the smell out here is just fantastic. Oh, crazy. We're gonna have to come back another time and eat here though. Looky. So, till next time, rock on my babies. Rock on. I know you're a toy car case guy out there. It is 3:16 on Old Johnny Clock. Let's see what pulled into our parking lot. Hit that subscribe button and you won't miss out. Don't you wish you had that? This is the place to be.